In a small town, there was an old watchmaker named Kareem who owned a tiny shop filled with clocks. Big clocks, small clocks, golden clocks, wooden clocks. Every wall ticked with a different rhythm. People from all around brought their broken watches to him because everyone knew Kareem could fix anything. One afternoon, a young boy named Ali entered the shop holding a broken watch that had belonged to his grandfather. The watch no longer ticked, and Ali looked worried. "Can you fix it?" Ali asked softly. Kareem carefully opened the watch and looked at the tiny gears inside. After a moment, he smiled and said, "Yes, but it will take patience." Ali sat in the shop watching as Kareem slowly cleaned each tiny gear and carefully placed them back together. Finally, Kareem closed the watch and wound it gently. Tick, tick, tick. The watch came back to life. Ali's eyes lit up with joy. "How did you fix something so small?" Kareem smiled and said, "Big problems are often solved by fixing the small things inside." From that day on, Ali remembered an important lesson. Sometimes the smallest pieces are the ones that make everything work.